30 years and never really looked into all that stuff. And I just knew that doing sun salutations made me feel great. And I could be in a state of mind that was so sluggish and not inspired and just like barely drag myself onto the mat. And 10 minutes later, be like, oh, thank God I do yoga. Oh my God, now I feel like I could do something, you know, and just fascinated with the power that has to lift me up and rationalizing different things like, well, maybe it's just a little bit of cardio and I don't know, stretch your body a little bit, you wake up a bit but you know, my recent research, like with Mysore yoga traditions and going to Mysore and filming all of these Sanskrit scholars and looking into the roots of these things, Surya Namaskar goes back to the Vedas. If you're looking for the ancient mojo in the yoga that we do, it's Surya Namaskar. And when you look at the spiritual tradition that Krishnamacharya came from, they're Vishishtadvaita, they're Iyengars, they follow a religious tradition called Nathamuni Sampradaya, which comes from Nathamuni and eventually Namalva, this saint which lived back around, most people say 7 or 8 AD, but anyway, never mind about all the historicity and dates and times. But their primary icon for divinity is the sun and Surya Narayana. And when you look at Ashtanga Vinyasa, that sun salutation is not that old. In fact, nobody should fool anyone. Primary series is 70 or 80 years old, maybe 60. Like it's in that, it's not more than 100 for sure. But Surya Namaskar, on the other hand, is thousands of years old. And there's a older version of Surya Namaskar that has 12 movements and has 12 mantras which go with it. And those mantras depict different qualities of the sun and different ways that they express themselves in the people who practice. And without getting into all of that, the first one is Om Mitraya Namaha. And it means friend, universal friend. That a person who's resonating with the brightness inside of themselves and grounded in that kind of mental space is friendly, is open, is kind. And when you look at the philosophy of the Iyengars, and you know, they're bhakti yogis. They believe in serving humanity and serving society and really trying to help their fellow people, karma yoga and bhakti yoga. The Bhagavad Gita, you can say, is far more influential in the yoga of Mysore than the Patanjali Sutras. Patanjali is really dealing with trance and meditation. And Stiram Sukhasasanam, of course, is the line which refers to asana, but Sukhasana is a pose. And you can say that every pose should be Sthira and Sukha, but really it's kind of a stretch. Indian style. Like, this is this ancient pose that Patanjali is referring to. You're all in it. Like, there you go. Okay, you're doing it. So